Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 of my mini-series testing the Viltrox 85mm f1.4, a lens that quickly became my favorite for portraits. I've used this lens on the Sony A7RV and A7C Mark II in multiple real-world situations over the past 6 weeks, from the sunny outdoor photoshoots to indoor wedding and the lifestyle content. Today, I'm showing you how this lens handles 3 different photoshoots. Let's dive in. Summer is my favorite season to do the swimwear photoshoot around the DMV area, since we have to hike there. So I just bring the Sony A7RV along with Viltrox 85mm f1.4. I love to do the photo shoot outdoor, but we have to watch for the sun direction because sometimes if it's too bright, it's gonna get overexposure and very harsh light on the subject. So this time, I place my model against the sunlight direction so it get the backlight for the background. Here are my settings. Feel free to pause and take a look. What I love is about this lens, it delivers a clean and soft bokeh even in the harsh light. For me, I don't like to rely too much on the editing, so I aim to get my look straight from the camera, and that saves a tons of my time. I noticed using silent mode create a bit of the jello effect. I'm not sure if that's common with the Sony electronic shutter. If you have experienced this, let me know in the comments. I got a chance to test Viltrox 85mm f1.4 on the client's wedding in Chicago. Since I had to pack light, I decided to bring 2 lenses. Sigma 24-70 f2.8 along with Viltrox 85mm f1.4. The f1.4 helped me to tell the emotional close-up story even without a flash. Since we shoot indoor and I know the ambient light will do the overcast for my subject. So my quick tip is to use the Sony cap to custom the white balance. So this photo shoot, I went with 4700 Kelvin to match the warm tone for the revenue. The ISO around 1000 and the wide aperture f1.4 give me the gorgeous background blur and the subject separation. The third location is the indoor photo shoot in the mall. I met my model Birdy online and invited her to do the photo shoot. Before the photo shoot, it's very important that we go to the mood board to get the look that we want. I want to be like a lifestyle and a clean background, so I'm looking for the white wall and also the floor. It's very help to bounce the sunlight and perfect for the luminous glowy skin tone. Even in a regular location, the 85mm make the subject pop. It's sharp, flattering, and brings depth to every frame. So here's my final thought after 3 shoots in a totally different settings. The Viltrox 85mm f1.4 is absolutely worth every penny. It delivers professional image quality, beautiful bokeh, and stunning skin tones, especially when paired with Sony A7C Mark II and A7RV. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you test this lens too, I would love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.